Hi, this is Manny with Classic Auto Repair. Today we are doing the final prep for delivery on the 73 International Scout. Truck came in with, I believe it was 11 or 13 years where the truck has not been running. It was parked, and we brought it back to life. Did some mechanical work, lots of mechanical work on this truck to get it back to roadworthy and dependable and reliable. We took the engine down to compression test and then did the repairs necessary to get it back up. A cooling system, hoses were deteriorated. Needed the carburetor overhauled, and the electrical ignition system was completely redone. I spent quite a bit of time on that, putting the new magnetic upgrade distributor, I guess it's the igniter, and that improved the ignition and performance on the truck. It did fail while it was here, and we got that figured out. New batteries, electrical, recovery bottle. Went through and made sure everything is working correctly, and as of right now, it's ready to go back on. We added a transmission cooler line and a cooler up here in the front at the radiator to help cool the transmission. I just went through and performed a safety test, make sure all the lights, blinkers, brake lights, horn, wipers, things for safety inspection. Truck is all passed on that. Future upgrade, someone may want to put the air conditioning back in this truck. Still has the bracket mounted here, but we did remove it to get access to the alternator. The alternator has been replaced as part of our electrical repairs on this truck. Take a look inside. Now has the new carpeting installed, floor mats. Everything's been treated with UV protectant. Console's been upgraded and restored. And we did a lot of work up under the dash, making repairs to the electrical system for the starter, ignition system, things like that. And back there in the box is the winch that goes to the front bumper. Just did a little cleanup on the on the wheels and the exhaust tips, chrome around and trim around the truck, getting it all freshened up. Again, that carpet really looks nice in this truck. Came out really good. We have a upholstery shop up in Denton that does our custom work. We will put in factory molded carpet here at the shop, but when we have to do something like this truck where they don't have a lot of options available, or the options are very expensive, we'll do a custom carpet. And of course, this went all the way along the back of the sides, rear behind the seats, and back here in the cargo area there is also carpeting. Nice little truck. Again, a 1973 International, purchased new from the customer's father, who worked at International. And this was one of his last vehicles that he owned before passing it to his son, who has given us the the project of getting this truck up and running again and roadworthy, and I think we accomplished that. And this is Manny with Classic Auto Repair. Hope you enjoyed watching the final inspection of the 1973 International Scout. Have a good day.